design thinking. Do you know what is design thinking? Have you heard? Creativity. Creativity तो फिर creativity word ही रहता है ना, फिर why we are naming it as a design thinking? What is design?
Create new things to solve problems.
Yes, create new things to solve the problems. But the process is little bit changed. Okay, so what do you understand by design?
A framework.
A framework. And I am saying design and thinking. That means I am trying to design the thinking. So what is the meaning of this particular word design thinking? Creating a framework of think process of something. Thinking क्या है? The things which you are basically having in your mind and thinking that it should happen or it may be happen or it should be like this and it should be like that. So whatever the thoughts are there in your mind, they are the thinking process. They are the part of your thinking process. If those thoughts can be framed into a framework, then you will reach the solution of a problem which is not even disclosed by someone. Which is not even disclosed by someone. That means I am trying to reach the thoughts of the people or thoughts of the customer or thoughts of someone who is a stakeholder of my product or my services, and then I am basically framing the layout or the structure. So when I say design thinking, this is a new branch of study. It's a complete course also. You can go to NAPTEL and there also you can register for the design thinking sessions, and you can do a NAPTEL course also on design thinking. Basically, if you go with this particular process, you will be able to learn how you can overcome the thoughts of other person and give the solution to their thoughts, and you can start your own business also. If I talk about even teaching, in teaching also we have a creativity, but how? If I put the creativity in such a way that I am able to understand what the student wants, then I will be able to deliver into a much better way or the methodology of teaching, rather than framing it from my own perspective. Okay? Rather than framing from my own perspective. So we will be talking about the design thinking now. So design is the process of working to develop solutions in a conscious and innovative way in which both functional and aesthetic requirements are included based on user needs. Based on user needs. You must have seen that it has been underlined. Why? Because we are doing whatever we are doing, whatever we are designing, whatever we are creating is on the requirement of the users. So the complete focus is on the user need. Neither I am talking about the creativity, nor I am talking about the innovation, neither I am talking about something else. What I am talking about? User needs. Because what is quality? What is quality? The satisfied needs lead to the quality. If a customer is satisfied, that means it's a quality product. Rather, it might be possible the same product is not a quality product for another person. He might not be knowing that it is a quality product because his need is not fulfilled by that particular. If I am a middle class family and if I am buying something which ranges or which is affordable as per my pocket and it is fulfilling the requirement for which I have purchased that particular item, for me it's a quality product. And it might be possible it goes to the richer class, they may say that it is not a quality product, it's an inferior product. Because for them, it seems that it is not fulfilling their requirements. So whatever fulfills the user needs, it's a quality product. And when I talk about the design, what I am talking about the user needs, what they require basically is what. So these are the elements of a great design. These are some of the elements of my great design. सबसे पहले when I talk about the design, कहावत है ना, अगर आप किसी कुत्ते में पैर डालोगे तो पता चलेगा वो काटता है नहीं काटता। When I talk about here, empathy is a situation when I'm thinking about others' perspective and keeping myself in his or her place. Keeping myself in his or her place. जब मैं उसकी पोजीशन में जाकर उस तरीके से सोचना शुरू कर दूँगी तो I will be having the similar type of ideas with him. I will be able to understand the environment in a better way. Suppose you are a student. मेरा एजुकेशन का लेवल है थोड़ा सा अलग है। अगर मैं आपके पर्सपेक्टिव को समझ जाऊँगी कि मुझे कंटेंट डिलीवरी उसी हिसाब से करनी है कि मेरा स्टूडेंट समझ ले, तो I keep myself in place of you, then I will be able to understand कि मुझे किस टाइप की कंटेंट डिलीवरी चाहिए ना, will I be able to understand or not. The same process है वो डिलीवर करूँगी तो you will be able to understand. Because I know what should be the method with which I can make you. So that is empathy. So how to develop a deeper understanding of your users, and this is the deepest understanding. There is no other methodology to understand your user more than this. If you are putting yourself in their place, इससे ज़्यादा better कोई तरीका नहीं है उसको समझने का, because you are now trying to understand him from his place. So what you have to do? There are 5 steps of that. Consolidate what you do and don't do. Consolidate what you do and don't know. That means what you are doing and you are not aware about that. बंद नहीं कर रहे हैं।
हम नीचे से बात करें नीचे।
Okay, then connect with the user audience. Carefully consider research approaches now, and then learn by observing and asking the other person, and develop a shared understanding and create. So if you go through these 5 steps, you will be able to empathize yourself with the other person. See, these are some of the things which are being created as per the user needs. These are created as per the user needs. Business management students हैं। और ये रूल्स कैसे मैनेज करो?
बेसिकली उसको विभिन्न ट्रेनिंग स्पेस और फैमिली आके
और ऐसा उसने क्यों सोचा?
बिकॉज जब वेकेशंस पे जाते हैं तो रूम्स वगैरह से लोग होते हैं।
He faced this problem. One day he wanted to go to somewhere, some place, and where he went, at that particular place he was not able to find a room for himself. When he was not able to find a room for himself, so it was very painful basically when he was not having a place where to do that. So he has to spend that night in the waiting room of the railway station. He has to spend the night in the waiting room of the railway station. Then he decided, I'm an IT professional, I can develop something which can book the hotel rooms online. So then he went to a particular hotel which was not even working smoothly. उसके पास ना लोग नहीं कर रहे थे। उसने कहा कि आपके पास होटल के रूम्स है जिनमें कोई आता नहीं है, इसका मतलब नुकसान तो है नहीं। अगर आपके होटल रूम्स को मैं कहीं पब्लिसाइज करूँ, अगर नहीं बुकिंग हुआ तो भी आपको कोई बेटर नहीं। Then he tried over. With that he started thinking. तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से? जब उसने खुद से उस प्रॉब्लम को the same case was the red bus. He was going somewhere, he wanted to travel but he was not having a bus change. And he was not able to go to his that particular location where he was supposed to go. And there was some family problem because of which he was desiring to go to that particular place. He was not able to go because there were no seats. So he thought of, if there is something where I can reach my seats and then go, he will like this. So मतलब they are basically coming to that because they are facing that particular problem. And when I talk about the design thinking, I say I have to study or I have to empathize with someone else, that you have to understand the problem for another person. When I have to understand the problem Thinking when stakeholders cannot agree what the actual problem is, when the situation is complex and full, lots of data is available but no understanding of relevance is there, no correlation on cause and effect can be seen. All these situations are basically making you think about the situations, and they are the problems to which you can look for the solutions. So, see here, he is the person who is order taker, he is the agenda setter, and that is the alignment to higher purpose. So, what we start, यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, फिर यहाँ पर जाएंगे, फिर यहाँ पर जाएंगे. This is the thinking process how I do that. The journey of thinking says, are we doing the things right? Are we doing the things right? सबसे पहले आपको क्या पता लगाना है? Are we doing the things right? And next step is, are we doing the right things? Are we doing सही है? है ना? ये देखिए ना? यहाँ हम कह रहे हैं क्या मतलब कर रहे हैं वो सही है. अब वो कहते हैं, are we doing the right things? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है यहाँ पे जो आप सही चीजें कर रहे हो? Are they required or not? Are we doing the right things? आप कर तो रहे हो, thing is right, but क्या वो आपको required है? That means you are performing the right things. And when you are doing the right things, then how do we decide what's right? अब question आ जाता है इन दोनों के बीच में कि आप कैसे decide करोगे क्या सही है. So basically this is the how we are basically making the decision. Now we come to the difference between the traditional thinking process and the design thinking process. So when I talk about the traditional thinking process, I am talking about what is the right answer. Whereas when I talk about the design thinking process, what is the right question? दोनों में कितना difference? Traditional thinking कहती है, it says, what is the right answer? कौन सी क्लास में? What is the right answer? That means whatever the process we are talking about, what is the right answer? Whereas in design thinking we are talking about what is the right question. आप लोग जब एग्जाम्स अटेंड करते हो तो कई बार आंसर गलत दे देते हो.
For the sake of attempting a question.
बस यही एक reason होता है for the sake of attempting the question. Have you ever faced the situation when you must have come out of the examination hall and said, "ये question answer तो मुझे आता था, but I have not attempted because I missed to understand the question." वो कभी ऐसा जल्दी में क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम कम था, आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा. जैसे एक एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए, एक क्वेश्चन आता है, which are not good conductors of electricity? Which are not the good conductors of electricity? बच्चे ने पढ़ा और लिख दिए good conductors के नाम लिख दिया. Good conductors of electricity. Did you get the marks for that? और गलती कहाँ हुई? उसको तो आता था. गलती कहाँ कर गया? बस वो नॉट को पढ़ता ना, उसको मिस कर गया. उसको नॉट को मिस करके क्या हो गया? Question was wrong. What he understood was the wrong. So design thinking says कि आंसर तो गलत हो सकता है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन को अगर आप समझ गए, if you are able to understand the question, आंसर गलत है. So what is the right question where you have to reach? So for that we start about. So when we talk about the design thinking, we are talking about the feelings of the person. We are talking about the feelings of the person. Then what is the experiences? On the basis of this particular feeling, what is his experience? And on that particular thing, you are developing the stories. And on that stories, you are able to develop. And you will be able to develop the stories when you are listening more and talking less. If I want to understand you, what will happen? I must not add my thoughts to your thoughts. Just saying about your thoughts to me, if I am speaking in between, automatically what will happen? My thoughts will also get mixed. So what I have to do? I have to listen more. और कोशिश करूँ ना बोलना पड़े तो ज़्यादा अच्छा. थोड़ा बहुत try to listen what he is answers to the consumer. कंज्यूमर को कहते हैं हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं और उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को हम नहीं समझ रहे. So basically this is a major difference between the traditional thinking and the design thinking. So design thinking is equal to designing the thinking, that is design mind, and the design is a 5-step process. When I talk about the design thinking as a process, it is having 5 steps. Number 1, empathize. Number 2, define the problem. Number 3, ideate. And number 4, prototype. And number 5, test the product. सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है? empathize. बहुत important step है, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने अभी तक जितना पढ़ा था वो सारा empathy के बारे में. Because if you are able to empathize, then you will be able to understand it. Then you will be able to understand the requirement or need of the user. So जब आपने empathize कर लिया, उसके बाद अब उसको समझने के बाद you can define the problem. अब हमें समझ आ गया ना क्या प्रॉब्लम है? जब प्रॉब्लम समझ आ गया तो उसके सॉल्यूशंस निकालेंगे. आइडिएट मतलब we are coming to the solution, and then I will be a non-linear process. Non-linear क्यों? Because it's splitting. Sequence नहीं आता है. Okay? So then we come to the laws of design thinking. First law of design thinking says less is more. Less is more. That means focus on what matters the most to remove redundancy in what we offer. Why we should focus on more? Because अगर आप छोटे-छोटे pieces पे अगर focus करेंगे तो what you will get? Your focus will get deviated. Suppose I want to bring the improvement in your class. My main motto is result improvement. So result improvement के लिए अब I have to take what are the factors on which I have to take. What are the factors? So when I am talking about only the subject results or results, then I have to focus only on that. If I go, because in class there is personality development, there is the overall growing, there is SBQ, there is industrial rhythm. If I go on every factor little, I will not be able to focus on Lower middle class, right? How did you come to know that she is lower middle class? What's that? Good personality, or she wants to keep herself highlighted? ऑटो में आती है, लेकिन उसमें जब कार करके जब वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती है तो उसमें ये लिखा है वेरी मच कॉन्शियस अबाउट हर एंड कीप हरसेल्फ डिस्टेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स, नॉट बाय बाइंग द क्लोथ्स बट कीपिंग हर क्लोथ्स सेफ। और चैलेंजेस फेस करने के लिए रेडी है, राइट? है ना? इसके बारे में काफी कुछ समझ आ सकता है ना इसको देखने से। और अगर आप इससे बात कर सके तो और ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर। सो आई हैव सॉल्व्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर persona, I have made her persona by myself for your information. If I talk about the background, I am naming her as Parvati. इसका नाम जब फुल एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती है तो फुल एडवर्टाइजमेंट के अंदर दिया हुआ है शी इज पार्वती। ओके, सो बैकग्राउंड, शी बिलोंग्स टू अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, जैसे आपने बताया। आई एम सेइंग दैट शी इज अ ग्रेजुएट इन आर्ट्स कॉलेज बिकॉज उसमें दिखाया है वो बैंक में आती है और काम करना स्टार्ट करती है और ऑटो से करके आती है एग्जाम जैसे लोगों में, तो दैट मीन्स शी इज एटलीस्ट अ ग्रेजुएट। देन मोर देन वन सिबलिंग, क्योंकि उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिखाया गया कि शी इज द ओनली डॉटर। दैट कुड बी अ वर्किंग वुमन और अ होममेकर और रिसेंटली ग्रेजुएटेड स्टूडेंट। इस एडवर्टाइजमेंट में शी इज अ वर्किंग वुमन, बट इसकी जगह दूसरी पर्सन जो है वो सिमिलर पर्सनालिटी के साथ होममेकर भी हो सकती है और ग्रेजुएटेड स्टूडेंट भी हो सकती है। दिस इज माय परसेप्शन along with that because I am talking about the multiple number of principles. Okay? Then what is the motivation here? Excellence in whatever she does. That's why she has been highlighted in that particular way. Then good feedback about her activities, either peers or neighbors or the family. Because उसके अंदर एडवर्टाइजमेंट में यही पता चल रहा था कि she is very good. Then challenges she is facing, that needs a detergent within the budget that take care of her clothes. Number 2, spending too much money on detergents and the natural sources like water, unable to portray her integrity and the uprightness. If I talk about the doubts and fears in her mind, she doubts that colleagues envy her and doesn't want to want them any issue. Example, form would become a major embarrassment for her. मतलब उसके जो colleagues हैं they don't support her. So अगर एक भी दाग लग गया तो she will be embarrassed. Then aspiration that she want to stand different from the crowd either in the neighborhood or at her workplace, wants to make her parents and siblings proud. तो ये उसका हम लोगों ने पूरा पर्सोना स्टडी किया। अब बनानी थी स्टोरी। अब स्टोरी के अंदर क्या था, इसको जितना हमें अवेलेबल था उसके हिसाब से हमने स्टोरी बनाई। तो द डायरेक्टली wants herself to be unique among her peers and cherishes excellence in her field. सब चीज को देखने के बाद यही समझ आता है दिस इज द आउटपुट। So this is the way how you can basically frame your own story. अब आपके लिए क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, you want to buy a gift for your friend who is sitting next to you. आपके ग्रुप में आप 2 लोग हो, least once in his life, he has started a startup in which what he is doing, he has created a QR code. He has created a QR code. They are charging yearly. They are charging around 2,000 rupees for everyone who is becoming a member of that thing. That QR code is being put on their bikes, their helmets, their cars, whatever basically vehicles they are using for traveling, and their bags, so that whenever if such type of mishappening occurs, and on every QR code below it is written in Hindi and English, please scan. और अगर किसी के पास स्मार्टफोन नहीं है तो नीचे एक नंबर भी दिया हुआ है, टोल फ्री नंबर भी दिया हुआ है कि आपके पास अगर स्मार्टफोन नहीं है तो आप नॉर्मल फोन से भी आप उस टोल फ्री नंबर को डायल करेंगे तो दे विल गेट द हेल्प. He has made a tie-up with all the ambulances nearby hospitals all over India. He is in that particular process, and within 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending upon the city, maximum 15 minutes, he is claiming that the ambulance will reach the person. And simultaneously, when he will be giving a call, the call will be sent to the parents whose number are registered at that particular time of emergency in their database. That this has happened. And automatically there one representative will be there, not physically, but he will be in touch with the hospital, and if there is some expenditure till 25,000 rupees, they will be paying the money for the first aid treatment until and unless their family members come over there. तो कहाँ से आया है? Problems. And he himself faced a problem to yes, come out of this picture. कुछ दिन के बाद शायद आकाश के बाद भी आपको करना होगा. Just started, and he is a 40 years old person. He started because he himself faced a problem. No one was there to pay. And when someone took him to the hospital at that time, everyone was fighting. Who will give the bill? Who will give the bill? Even the doctors were not ready to treat him because no one was there to pay. And he stays in Bangalore, so wife will take 12 hours to reach the hospital. क्योंकि उसके पास भी तो इन्फॉर्मेशन जाने में टाइम लगता है. तो जब हम किसी भी शूज में अपने शूज को अपने फुट को रखते हैं तो पता चलता है कि उसी के हिसाब से when you come to the solution of it, automatically a business idea comes in. So अब मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया है, give a solution of that question. Do it. एक बार कर लोगे तो अगला बार अपने आप कर पाओगे, and you will be able to understand the things. ये तो बहुत छोटा सा है, गिफ्ट देना है. तो अगर गिफ्ट को समझ जाओगे तो ऑब्वियस है पर्सनल डेवलप करना है. ठीक है? Have to talk to your peer, your team member, what gift he wants, and depending upon that gift, you have to develop the persona and the story also. Story also. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है डिजिटल उसका बनाया हुआ है, इसलिए हमने कॉपीराइट भी डाला है ताकि कल को वो मेरे ऊपर क्लेम ना कर